Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I am going to teach you how to make a sunflower. So let's start. I am making a small yarn, hook size 3.5 mm. You can use your favorite hook size. I am taking the brown yarn and making a magic circle. Now I am going to make a puff of 3 loops or 3 round, as you can see. Pass over the yarn from these through loops, chain 1, again chain 1. Now again puff of 4 rounds in the magic circle. Pass over the yarn from these loops. Now chain 1, again puff of 4 rounds. In the magic circle, chain 1, we have to make 10 puffs or rounds. As you can see, we have made 10 puffs, and then we will pull the yarn to tighten up the flower. Now slip stitch to join the sides. Now going to use yellow or mustard yarn. We will make chain 3, now after making chain 3, we will make a puff of 5 rounds in the chain space. Pass over the yarn from these loops on the hook. No, but we have to make another 5 rounds puff in the next chain space. There are 2 puffs, as you can see. Pass over the yarn from all of them. Now chain 3, single crochet in this chain space. Now chain 3, single crochet in the same chain of the puff. Now we have to make chain 3 in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, and then we will make chain 3, puff of 4 or 5 rounds in the same chain, then puff of 5 rounds in the next chain, pass the yarn from these all the loops. Now chain 3, single crochet in this chain space, again chain 3, single crochet in the same chain space or same chain, or slip stitch You can use single crochet or slip stitch. Now we have to repeat the same procedure till the end of the flower. So here is the final look of our flower. This is a beautiful crochet sunflower pattern. You can use this in any of your project. This will increase the beauty of your project. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share, and share it with your friends and family who want to learn the crochet. There are so many videos on my channel for the beginners as well, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much.